everyone, and welcome to my kitchen, back for another video. I'm excited, so I'm taking you along today for my normal Sunday prep. I'm going to be making 2 meals, so there will be 2 videos that will come out over the next week. So this one is going to be my soup for the week. I am making a lemon chicken and rice soup, and I have a couple of things in it that are from Epicures. So since I just got these spices, it will be a little different than the way I normally make it, but I'm excited and I'm absolutely certain it's gonna taste amazing. And of course I will let you guys know how it tastes in the end. So first things first though, before I get to making my food, I did want to share with you guys something that I got in my consultant kit that I am so excited about. So it came with these little prep dishes, they call them, and it's awesome. I was able to, as you can see here, I have a couple of things already prepped in them. I can measure things out before I start putting it together, so I can make sure I have all my ingredients and that everything goes in. So I love it. It even has measuring up the side for milliliters and cups. It goes all the way up to 3/4 cups. So, and you can put a lid on it, which is perfect if you're prepping in the evening and you're actually only going to throw it together the next day. You can put everything in the fridge all ready to just pop into your slow cooker like I'm doing, or into a pan, whatever you're cooking in. So I really wanted to let you guys know about that. I think it's awesome, and I had honestly not even thought of ordering them. They just came in my consultant kit. So let's get started with this soup. So the first thing, since it's going to be a chicken soup, is going to be chicken. Now you can just cook chicken breasts and cut it, of course. I decided to just have it all prepped for me for this time. And I'm just getting it all in here. So first ingredient will be the chicken. Perfect. Then we're going to add some onion. Some carrots. And some celery. And some rice, uncooked. So this is a 1/4 cup of this white rice, uncooked. I'm going to add some lemon juice. I usually add most of this bottle, or sometimes I will actually buy a lemon, and I usually juice pretty much the whole lemon, but I really like lemon. So that is definitely a part of this you can adjust for your own tastes. It also calls for 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. So I have my beautiful Epicures garlic powder and this handy dandy measuring spoon. It's perfect and fits in all their containers. So we are just going to go ahead and measure that out. So we have some garlic powder in there now. Now it's going to be lemon dill. So I'm going to be using my lemon Dilly. And since it's for a whole soup, I am going to be generous and give a whole tablespoon of this. Okay. Final step is to salt and pepper it, because I do use no salt broth. And give it a little bit of pepper. And then finally we add the no salt chicken broth. It smells amazing already. Okay, and then I will usually add a little bit of water as well. And now this is basically ready to go into my slow cooker. I usually cook it on low for about 8 hours, but I'm going to be doing it on high for 4 because I'm going to be making another meal later today, so I need to have time to make both, and I only have 1 crock pot. So that's the prep part of this meal. I'll be back later to show you how it looks and tell you what it tastes like. Hi everybody, so it's the next afternoon and I am ready to try the soup because the soup is for my lunches. So as you can see it here, it looks and it smells amazing. A beautiful lemon chicken and rice soup with that little splash of dill because I did use lemon dilly. So I'm ready to try it and very excited. Amazing. I'm gonna love having this for lunch every day this week. And you guys can do this too. All I do when it's ready, time to eat, is basically pop it in the microwave for a couple minutes and warm it up. So it makes it really easy when I have to make lunch and eat really quick. It's also really helpful for supper because I only have a half hour. So yeah, even though we're all mostly working from home, it's still really great to be able to have something fresh and extremely tasty in a hurry. So I hope you guys will try this recipe out, and definitely 2 thumbs up from me. Thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please do me a favor and like and subscribe.